Welcome everyone to our next online Excel learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, I will show you how to create serial number in Excel. Suppose you have a data like this, and you can see here in each group we have a different count. So instead of typing 1, 2, 3 or using drag it option, you can use Excel formula to fill the number quickly. So remove this number and select all this data, press Ctrl G, go to spatial, then after select blanks click on OK and type formula here, Excel formula function N, select the B2 cell here, close the bracket, +1 and hold Ctrl and press enter. Now you can see here the serial number is created. For the group 1 it's a 4, group 2 5 and group 3 6. So you can create serial number for this type of data quickly using this function. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.